As an IT professional, all too often we see stuff like this. Let's see if I can get a good video. Yep. Decent equipment covered with cascades of wires, no organization, and more gear back here. Really not knowing where it goes or how it gets to the end user. So almost impossible to troubleshoot, and definitely not as efficient as it could be. So now you're worried about heat, you're worried about failing equipment and how to replace it and what feeds what. Well, our goal is to change this. So this is the before, I'll show you the after now. There's no overheating, there's no crazy rat's nest that you have to tunnel through to get to the equipment. Everything is labeled from firewall to switch gear to NVR, all the way down to the UPS. This makes for a network that we can troubleshoot remotely without having to come on site. It makes for a network that's identifiable both on the switch gear and on the patch panel. It makes for a network that will be sustained for years to come, much more organized, as you can see here. From top level firewall to switch level to cameras to phones, everything is organized just the way we like it. It comes down to hiring the right company for the right task. And Radius Executive IT Solutions is here to clean up your network.